Hi and welcome to this video on reporting in PREXA365 software. In this video, I'll be showing you how to generate accurate and meaningful report in real time that comply with the standards set by the American Rental Association. PREXA365 helps organizations to track overall progress, revenue, asset status, how many assets went on rent, how many are still available in your inventory, and what kind of assets are the most profitable. So what are those KPIs that we use to create PREXA365? Of course, there will be revenue performance, original equipment cost, utilization, capital expenditure, return on invested capital, sales performance, rental days performance, and rent ready. Let me share my screen with you and I will show you how these KPIs are implemented in PREXA365. Alright, and we are PREXA365 right now. Here is the dashboard of the key performance indicators that I mentioned earlier. One of the most important metrics in any business is the revenue performance. ARA revenue performance is a measure of how well the company is generating revenue and meeting its financial goals. A high revenue performance indicates a strong and growing business, while a low revenue performance indicates a need for improvement. Another important KPI is the original equipment cost, or the cost of acquiring new equipment. Keeping the original equipment cost as low is essential for maximizing profitability. Utilization is another crucial KPI from ARA. This metric measures the amount of time that the equipment is being used and helps the company determine if they are making the most out of their resources. A high utilization rate is a good sign that the equipment is being put to good use, while a low utilization rate may indicate a need for improvement. Another key performance indicator from ARA is capital expenditure, or CapEx. This is the amount of money that a company invests in the new equipment and infrastructure. Each rental company should closely monitor this metric to ensure that they are making wise investment that will support the growth and success of the entire company. And now let's go to return on investment capital. Is a measure of how well company is using the capital to generate profit. Each company strives to maintain a high return on investment capital to show that they are using their resources effectively and efficiently to achieve their financial goals. Alright, rent ready is the KPI indicator that measures the readiness of equipment to be rented out. And another important KPI, sales performance. It's a metric that measures the success of the company's sales efforts, a simple as that. And the last one in our reporting package is rental days performance. This indicator measures a number of days that equipment is being rented out. A high rental days performance indicates a strong demand for the equipment and successful business. I hope this video has provided you with a good understanding of the importance of reporting in rental management software. Thank you for watching it, and I'm looking forward to hearing about your experience with this software. Please follow me on LinkedIn and visit our website PREXA365.com.